Hey everybody, it's John from C3 Mods. I got 3 new channels coming out. This first one is JK Mods, and it's just a quick rundown of some of the easy and affordable accessories you can do to your JK. This is my son's Jeep, and we have separate videos on the custom bumpers I made coming out, and another episode on tops and doors and electrical. I hope you enjoy. Thanks. One of the first things we did was get a set of front and rear mats from Rugged Ridge. They're pretty good company. And my son had a magnetic iPhone mount installed on the top tray of the dash. And since we're fans of Call of Duty, we decided to make a Call of Duty Jeep. The factory ones are quite expensive, and we figured we could make a better one. So we ordered the nameplates and the rear tire cover. And then we set out to go ahead and build the rest of it. One of the first things that we did besides the mats were the handholds on the grab bar, so passengers have something to hang on to, especially when the top and the doors are off. The next item was the snorkel. That's another Rugged Ridge product. One of the reasons that we chose that snorkel is my son had already expressed interest in the Rugged Ridge overhead light bar, and that light bar is designed to work with their snorkel unit. So at least that way we were buying parts that we knew were going to work together. Something else that I did is I noticed that there were factory holes in the side front seat rails. So I bought 2-inch aluminum stock and some Maglite holder clips that I bought a bag of them off Amazon, and I made these Maglite holders for the seats. We also found under seat drawers with that lock. That way when the kids would go somewhere with the top on the doors off, like Six Flags or the zoo or something like that, they could throw their wallets and their sunglasses and stuff in there and lock them up and not have to worry about anybody taking their stuff. I also found a MOLLE gear unit that attaches to the back of the tailgate. It was kind of cool. I've seen them that attach to the backs of the front seats, but you know, then when you have passengers in the back seat, that stuff's kind of in their way. One Christmas, I got him a set of Rubicon rims, found them on Craigslist. The guy actually, he wanted $900 for them, but they had tires on them. And by the time we got done wheeling and dealing, he ended up keeping the tires, and I got the rims for $450. We also ended up buying a Rubicon hood. I think it's Smitty built. I think it's the same company that actually makes them for Mopar, but Mopar hoods are like $1,500, and I think I got this for less than $4. I went ahead and painted it at the house, matched the silver paint. It came with the vents. You do have to switch from a single windshield squirter to a dual windshield squirter, and the rubber bump stops are different for the hood. The tie-down strap is the same. And then later on last year, we upgraded to the new JL hood latches, which were a lot better than the rubber ones that came with the Jeep. A couple years ago, we went ahead and put a lift kit on it. He wants to put bigger tires on it, so that was one of the reasons that we went ahead and did that. He ended up moving to California, and before we left, we went ahead and got brakes. These drilled and slotted rotors are from Power Stop. I got the caliper kit as well because those factory calipers kept seizing up on them and burning up brakes. While you're at it, it'd be a good time to check the rear axle seals. His kept leaking too, so before we finished the brakes, I pulled the axles out and got this and replaced the seals. And I think right before he left for his birthday, we finally found the 3-bar Call of Duty aluminum rear tail light covers. He ended up making a rack out of PVC pipe and some foam to hold all of his doors when he goes trail riding out in California. So that was a pretty slick idea right there. So I hope you enjoy the videos. I got about 4 more coming out later. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time.